esteemed faculty members, dear fellow students, and all distinguished guests. I stand before you today on the auspicious occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti with a profound sense of reverence and gratitude. As we gather here in the hallowed halls of Genius Academy coaching at Chinveria Village, we come together to pay tribute to one of the greatest visionaries and social reformers of modern India, Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Director Pawan Sir and all the faculty members for providing us with this invaluable opportunity to commemorate the life and legacy of Dr. Ambedkar. Your unwavering commitment to educational excellence and social justice serves as an inspiration for all of us. And I am deeply honored to address this gathering on such a significant occasion. Dr. Ambedkar's life was a testament to the power of education, perseverance, and unwavering commitment to justice. Born into a society plagued by caste-based discrimination, social inequalities, he faced countless obstacles and hardships of succumbing to despair and accepting the status quo. Dr. Ambedkar chose to fight against injustice with courage and conviction. As a student, Dr. Ambedkar experienced first-hand the systemic discrimination and exclusion prevalent in educational institutions. Despite facing numerous obstacles, he persevered and facing and excelled in his studies, eventually becoming the first person from his community to earn a doctorate degree abroad. His academic achievements not only shattered stereotypes but also paved the way for future generations of marginalized students to pursue their dreams without fear or prejudice. But Dr. Ambedkar's contributions to society extend far beyond the realm of academia. He was a tireless advocate for the rights of the oppressed and marginalized, tirelessly working to dismantle the Constitution, which assured the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity, remains his most enduring legacy. Today, as we reflect on Dr. Ambedkar's life and legacy, it is imperative that we not only celebrate his achievements but also reaffirm our commitment to upholding the values he stood for. Dr. Ambedkar's teachings reminds us that the struggle for social justice and equality is an ongoing process that requires collective action and solidarity. As a student of Genius Academy coaching, we have a unique opportunity and responsibility to carry forward Dr. Ambedkar's vision of a more just and equitable society. We must strive to create inclusive space where every individual, regardless of their background or identity, feels valued, respected, and empowered to reach their full potential. We must challenge discrimination and prejudice wherever we encounter it, whether it be in our classrooms, communities, or society at large. Furthermore, we must actively engage with Dr. Ambedkar's ideas and teachings, seeking inspiration and guidance. In our quest for social justice, his emphasis on education as a means of empowerment reminds us of the transformative power of knowledge and the importance of equipping ourselves with the tools to challenge injustice and effect meaningful change. On this Ambedkar Jayanti, let us rededicate ourselves to the ideas of equality, justice, and human dignity that Dr. Ambedkar so potentially championed throughout his life. Let us honor his memory, not only through words but through our actions as we strive to build a society that reflects the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity enshrined in our Constitution. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Director Pawan Sir and all the faculty members for their unwavering support and guidance. Your dedication to our education and personal growth is truly commendable, and I am confident that with your mentorship we will continue to strive for excellence in our endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.